So respiratory world, we are monitoring the patient on the pressure support wean as of currently. Um, these are the current settings. These are set values here at the bottom. Patient's breathing, exhale tidal volume, peak expiratory pressure, minute ventilation. Judging by these parameters here, do you think that this patient should continue to wean? Should they, be placed back on full support for the remainder throughout the shift, or continue to wean, for a prolonged period of time? Judging by the parameters here, the oxygenation is 100%, heart rate 72. You see the rate is 16. So if you are, the therapist in this situation, would you consider continue to wean this patient, or would you put them back on full support?